iX has the role of being a pinnacle, a technical lighthouse.
A courageous approach to transfer the BMW Group into the future.
The way we design the products goes a little deeper.
We created the car from the inside out.
A very focused view on what our customers want.
The exterior is monolithic.
Simple and very modern.
Every detail is designed to blend in with the sculpture.
We try to approach some sort of wow effect.
Some people even say this is not a BMW.
It's more the philosophical approach, how we want to integrate all these high-tech possibilities into a more human interaction scenario.
It is reduced, clean, yet warm and welcoming.
Just imagine if you only draw a single stroke, it will be very conspicuous. If you have more, you don't know where to look.
Yeah, we did try out different ways of thinking like a startup.
Think big.
Bold.
20 people, freaky ideas.
We start from scratch.
Fail quick, learn fast.
It is like regaining the feeling of having just graduated. Draw what I think without boundaries.
To pioneer themes and questions that will come up.
The iX takes the iFleet a big step forward. It is a pathfinder.
I don't believe that emotions will disappear in the future. We don't stop to love, we don't stop to hate. And we will use all these new technologies in a healthy and meaningful way. The future will be bright and positive. Let's go inside.